Hello friend, today we will discuss vibration of air column in a pipe closed at 1A. It is also called as open at 1A. Consider a tube or pipe closed at 1A of length small l. Let small l be the air column in a pipe. Capital L is the length of air column. Length of air column. Okay. When vibrating tuning fork is placed near a open end of the pipe, it produces vibration. It produces sound. It produces sound wave. This wave travel through the pipe and incident on the closed end. It will be reflected. Incident wave and reflected wave interfere with each other. Longitudinal stationary wave is formed in a pipe closed at 1. At the closed end, there is a least vibration of particles. There is a least vibration of motion of a particle. Vibration of a particle. Thus, there must be a node at the closed end. At the closed end, node is formed. The particles little beyond the open end are most free to vibrate. As a result, antinode is formed just above the opening. It is not formed exactly at the opening. And the small distance from open end to antinode is called as the end correction. Therefore, the length small l of the pipe and length capital L of the air column are shown separately in all figures. या दोन्ही लेंथ कशा आहेत डिफरंट आहे. L is the length of air column in a pipe and capital L is the length of air column. Now the pipe open at 1/8 is vibrate in a different way, different modes of vibrations. Okay, first of all, fundamental mode or first mode. This is the simplest mode of vibration. This is the simplest mode of vibration of air column closed at 1/8. It is known as fundamental mode. In this mode, there is one node and one antinode are formed. In this mode, one node and one antinode are formed as shown in figure. From figure, the length of the air column is capital L. And we know properties of stationary wave. Distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. Therefore, the length of air column is equal to lambda by 4. आपल्याला लेंथ काय माहित आहे एअर कॉलमची कॅपिटल एल. आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेशनरी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन नोड अँड अँटीनोड इज lambda by 4. Therefore, L is equal to lambda by 4. We get lambda is equal to 4L. This is the equation number 1. Where lambda is wavelength of wave. Now, the frequency, fundamental frequency of vibration, that is small l, is given by, what is the formula? Relation between frequency, velocity and wavelength. V is equal to n lambda. Therefore, n is equal to v upon lambda. We put the value of lambda from equation 1. We get n is equal to v upon 4l. This is the equation number 2. This is the expression for, this is the value of fundamental frequency. This is the fundamental frequency. It is the lowest frequency of vibration. It is the lowest frequency of vibration with which an air column can vibrate. This is called as the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. This is called as the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. What is the value of fundamental frequency? N is equal to V upon 4L. Equation number 2 is the expression for fundamental frequency or first order. and this is the least frequency with which an air column can vibrate. Now the second one. Here the air column can vibrate in such a way that it contains a node at close end and antinode at open end, with one more node and antinode in between. Okay. From the diagram, length of air column is capital N, and according to property of stationary wave, distance between two successive node or two successive antinode is lambda by 2, and node and adjacent antinode is lambda by 4. By using this property, the length of air column, that is the capital N, is equal to node is the lambda by 4. Here lambda 1. Okay. Lambda 1 is the wavelength of vibration in this mode. And node to antinode is the lambda by 4. Therefore, L is equal to lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 4. L is equal to lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 4. Therefore, L is equal to 6 lambda 1 by 8. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? L is equal to 6 lambda 1 by 8. Therefore, L is equal to 3 lambda 1 by 4. And from this equation, lambda 1 is equal to 4L by 3. This is the equation number 3. Lambda 1 is equal to 4L by 3. Equation number 3. We know frequency of vibration. Frequency of vibration. N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1. V upon lambda 1. And by putting the value of lambda 1 from equation 3, we get N1 is equal to V upon 4L by 3. V upon 4L by 3. आणि 4L upon 3 ला आपण ऍडजस्ट जर केलं तर कसं होईल? N1 is equal to 3 into V upon 4L. N1 is equal to 3 into V upon 4L. And you have V upon 4L from equation 1. From equation 2. This is the fundamental frequency. This is the value of fundamental frequency. Bracket मध्ये जी value आहे ती कशाची आहे? Fundamental frequency. Therefore, N1 is equal to 3N. N1 is equal to 3N. This is the equation number 4, and this is the frequency of first overtone or third harmonic. Frequency of first overtone or third harmonic. Okay. Now, third mode. Here, the air column can vibrate in such a way that it contains node at close end and antinode at open end, with two nodes and two antinodes in between. या एअर कॉलमला अशा पद्धतीने व्हायब्रेट करू आपण की जेणेकरून नोड हा कुठे झाला पाहिजे? क्लोज एंडला, आणि एक ओपन अँटीनोड कुठे झाला पाहिजे? ओपन एंडला, आणि दोन नोड आणि दोन अँटीनोड या दोघांच्या मदत तयार झाली पाहिजे. ओके. इफ N2 and lambda 2. आता या ह्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्या मोड मध्ये आपण काय घेतली? फ्रिक्वेन्सी फंडामेंटल फ्रिक्वेन्सी N. सेकंड मोड मध्ये फ्रिक्वेन्सी काय घेतली आपण? N1, आणि वेव्हलेंथ काय घेतली आपण? लॅम्बडा 1. आता थर्ड मोड मध्ये आपण N2 is the frequency of vibration and lambda 2 is the wavelength of vibration. From the diagram, पुन्हा तीच गोष्ट आपण पाहणार आहोत. लेंथ ऑफ एअर कॉलम किती आहे? L. लेंथ ऑफ एअर कॉलम इज L. अँड आता आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे याच्यामध्ये दोन लूप तयार झाले, एक हाफ लूप तयार झाली. पहिली जी नोड आहे क्लोज एंडला, तिथून त्या नोड पर्यंत डिस्टन्स किती आहे? लॅम्बडा 2 by 2. त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा सेकंड नोड पासून थर्ड नोड जे आहे ते पुन्हा लॅम्बडा 2 by 2. म्हणजे अजून नोड टू एंड नोड किती आहे? लॅम्बडा 2 by 4. म्हणजे आपण सगळ्यांची ऍडिशन केली तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? कॅपिटल L इज इक्वल टू पहिलं डिस्टन्स किती आहे? लॅम्बडा 2 डिवाइड बाय 2. सेकंड नोड पासून पुन्हा नोड पर्यंत डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा 2 by 2 प्लस नोड टू एंड नोड किती आहे? लॅम्बडा 2 by 4. मग काय मिळेल आपल्याला? L इज इक्वल टू लॅम्बडा 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 4. Lambda 2 is the wavelength of vibration in third mode. Okay. हे जर सॉल्व केलं आपण तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? L is equal to पहिल्या दोन याची आपण ऍडिशन केली तर काय मिळेल λ2/2 प्लस λ2/2 इज इक्वल टू λ2. आपल्याला डायरेक्ट ची व्हॅल्यू आपण पुट केली तर काय मिळेल n इज इक्वल टू 5 λ2/4. इफ यू सॉल्व दिस L is equal to 5 λ2/4 5 λ2/4 आणि यावरून आपल्याला λ2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळणार 4l/5 λ2 is equal to 4l/5. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 5. या इक्वेशन आपल्याला λ2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली 4l/5. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5. and the frequency of vibration in this mode of vibration, the frequency of vibration that is n2 is given by the frequency of vibration n2 is given by v is equal to काय फॉर्म्युला आहे n2 λ2. त्यामुळे आपल्याला n2 is equal to काय मिळेल n2 is equal to v upon λ2 v upon λ2 आणि λ2 ची व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 5 वर आपण काय ठेवू शकतो 4l/5. λ2 ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जर पुट केली तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला n2 is equal to v upon 4l/5 4l/5. हा डिनॉमिनेटर 5 जर वर गेला तर काय होईल आपल्याला n2 is equal to 5 into v upon 4l ब्रॅकेट मध्ये v upon 4l. v upon 4l means fundamental frequency. From the value of fundamental frequency we get n2 is equal to 5l. n2 is equal to 5l. This is the frequency of second overtone or fifth harmonic. This is the frequency of second overtone or fifth harmonic. Conclusions. Thus, for a pipe closed at one end, only odd harmonics are present and even harmonics are absent. First conclusion काय सांगता येईल की for a pipe closed at one end, only odd harmonics are present and even harmonics are absent. Number 2, relation between frequencies of modes of vibrations are first mode, second mode and third mode. Frequency of first mode n, second mode n1 and third mode n2. ns2 n1 ns2 n2 is equal to 1:3 3:5. In number 3, in general for pth overtone, in this way आपण continuously चालत गेलो तर in general for pth overtone the frequency np is equal to 2p plus 1 into n, where p is equal to 0 1 2 and 3 so on. np is equal to in bracket twice p plus 1 into n, where p is equal to 0 1 2 3 and so on.